What's up, everybody? Yesterday I uploaded and backtested March, and now I am going to start backtesting uh, the data of April. You guys can see that these were the results of the backtesting session which we had yesterday. Best win was around this, and yeah, these were the backtesting sessions which we had. So yes, let's just start backtesting now, because we have to really speed run and finish this practicing session as soon as possible so that we are up to time, because I have to go to the gym as well at 12, so I have around 1 hour 20 minutes left. So yeah, let's see, let's let this shit load right now. And right now I think we are just gonna play some music on Spotify so that we can get into that zone. Okay. Okay. Okay, man. So over here, this is around 1st April, and as you guys can see that I'm gonna just clean all these zones. And what is the latest support I can find? This is the latest support I can find. This is my latest support, right? And price is soaring. It's like going up. It's in an uptrend. And if you just see the 15 minute B is in an uptrend. This is the latest support on the 15 minute. Let's just see for something. Let's just wait. Let's move to the 15 minute and let's see what is happening in this range. Okay, let's see what happens. It's still soaring up. Okay, this is a big bearish candle, and this big bearish candle is also breaking this support. So at this point I can take a counter trend trade, and I think that's gonna be a really good decision. Let's just start. I think it's fine. Let's just place it over here. Target will be around 1:3. So this 11. You guys get what I have done, right? So price was going up. Ideally it should be a long trade. It should be a trade where I would buy and I would look for supports, but as you guys can see that on the 15 minute this was a support and this was a consolidation, and on the 30 minute this huge bearish candle went and it broke that region and closed below that. That's why I'm executing a sell over here, right? So this is the basic logic of this trade. Yeah. Let's just see what happens. Well, why is this not moving? Price has started to retrace. Okay, so at this point this low has been established perfectly. So if price has to go down, it has to respect this high. Sorry, this high has been established perfectly, and if price has to go down, it has to respect this high in order to go down. So I'm just gonna trail the stop loss over here. Let's just wait. Okay, man. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna close the trade. How much am I losing at this point? I'm losing at $41. I'm gonna close it here. Why? Because it's in another 30-minute candle, and now it has formed against me. So I'm just gonna close my entire position at this point. I'm gonna lose $40 because I'm gonna accept this loss. Because this is a 30-minute support, and prices is ranging over here. Okay, now I can give my trade a second chance, but still because that wasn't a 30-minute candle closure, that's why I still didn't sell. Now it's just consolidating at this point. Yeah, it was just consolidating at that point now. Yeah, man, struck an L that day. Let's move to the next day. Over here, if we see over here, this is the support, this is the resistance, and to be really honest, it has closed like this. This is a support over here as well. Yeah, I've taken a buy over because there's support, there's clean range. Yeah, that's the reason why I've taken a buy. Let's just. Okay, wait, man. I had to take a buy based on the 30-minute. I didn't see that. I have to. I had to take this one. I'm just gonna revive this trade because I wouldn't have taken this trade in the first place. Let's just move this to 15 minutes. This was free fall. Price came back over here, created a, but this was, I had to take it to 30 minute. I'm gonna take a buy on the 30 minute. Where will be my stop loss? Stop loss will be somewhere over here, and TP will be the same. Yeah, now it looks perfect. I took that trade on the 15-minute time frame. Now let's just let it play. It's gonna first go make a low. Stop me out, man. I think it's just consolidating at this point. Yeah. It's just consolidating at this point. Man, what the hell is this thing? Like, I know price is gonna go up, but what the hell is this thing? I'm sick of tired of this, bro. Bro, what the hell is this, man? I can just take a shot over. It can be a target of this. Let's just enter. Why did I take this trade in the first place? First of all, this was a support. And if you see on the 30 minute, this was a support. It closed below that. And yeah, that's it. How much did it go in my favor? 1:1 had already been achieved. Bro, I had to break even this. Man, I had to break even this. Yeah, I had to break even this thing. Somewhere over, let's just, yeah. I'm just gonna break even this. because 1 to 1 was already achieved. So now I just had to break even. Yeah. What day was this? Yeah, it was Thursday. Let's just move to the next learning session. Bro, I had to take a trade over here. I just skipped it. Let's just move to the next learning session now. Now, if you guys can see that this is a downtrend, right? This support has also been broken. Let's see the 15 minute. Bro, how big is this candle, man? It's a very big candle. How am I gonna trade on this candle? Let's just place the trade and let's see. Man, the thing is that candles have started to form huge. And now, bro, what the hell? What the hell has happened over here? To be really honest, I wouldn't have taken this trade, man. What has happened to me right now? I'm just messing up my data. No, I wouldn't have taken this trade. Let me tell you why. I spotted that difference right now. You know what I'm doing right now? I am just trying to. Okay, 9:30. Still, I want this support to be broken, and then I'm gonna this whole thing to get broken, and then I'm gonna. Okay, but there's I cannot buy over here because there's a rejection over here. Multiple rejections. Let's just move to the next day, bro. Price action, I couldn't like get a good trade. Let's just delete all the zones. Okay. Okay, now this candle has broken and closed above that ring. Let's just now wait for the next candle to start forming, and as soon as it starts breaking this high, I am gonna enter, okay? And I'm gonna slow this thing. That's 5 minutes already. This candle has started to retrace 6 minutes. Once it starts to break this high, I can take a trade. Yes, exactly at this point, I'm gonna place a buy. Exactly at this point. And you know, guys, this is gonna be my stop loss. I know what's gonna be my target. It's gonna be somewhere over here. Let's see. Okay, so at this point, price went up and then it got rejected. So yeah, now we are gonna see this thing, and we're gonna now. What did I learn from this loss? Man, I learned that everything was good, bro. See, see, see. Like my analysis is good, but I don't know when to enter. That's something bad. I think, yeah, I could have entered over here. I could have got all of this smoke. Yeah. Let's just move to the next London session. Okay, now this is a bullish candle, but there are multiple rejections on this side, so I'm not gonna buy. Yeah, that was a really good decision. I'm still not gonna buy. At this point, at this point, this is just the resistance. I'm gonna wait for a 30-minute candle closure. Because 30 minute has closed, and over here, as you guys can see that 30 minute has closed. It is a good candle, and we can see for a short over here. We can look for a short over here, ideally, with a reward of 1 to 2, I guess. 1 to 3, I guess. Let's just look for a shot. Let's just look for the shot, bro. And let's just start the trade. Man, what the hell happened? Again, it stopped me out. And I shouldn't have taken this trade. What the hell am I even doing? This is an upturn, bro. I didn't see this. What the hell am I doing, man? I'm actually very exhausted right now. I'm taking bad trades. I didn't see those things. Let's just move to the next level session, bro. I think because I have been very exhausted, I'm taking bad trades now. Okay, so at this point, price is in an uptrend. It's creating higher highs, higher lows, higher lows. It's respecting the order flow. Now, price is still going up, but at this point, I want to see some sort of a support so that I can buy. Okay, let's see. There's no volume at this point, and not to consider this a support because there's no volume. Man, there was no volume this whole day. This is a support now, but I would be off the charts at this point. Let's just take a buy over here. Why haven't I taken this buy? First of all, price is in an uptrend. Price came back, created a support, and now it's expected to bounce back from the support, right? That is exactly my game plan. Bro, what the hell? Bro. It straight up went and hit my uh, stop loss. Why is this not exiting me, man? Why is this FX replay crashing? I want this to exit me, bro. Just fucking exit me, man. The hell is happening over here, bro? close this trade. Yeah. Closed that trade. Support was formed in an uptrend, but it didn't go up as it was expected to. So yeah, prices started to fall. And let's see from where did it gain support. Or what is happening at this point? My FX replay isn't working correctly. What the hell is it, bro? What happened this day? Yeah, it stopped me out. What the hell, bro? It stopped me out and then it went up. Man, this is a trending market. Okay, so what at this point I'm trying to see is a 15-minute. What the hell, bro? Is this a news or what? My price is falling, but there's a support over here, so I can't actually buy something. Yeah, I think I am gonna place a buy again because one more support has been found. But don't you think that the stop loss is way too big? So 130 pip stop loss, man. 130 pip stop loss. Are you kidding me? No, the stop loss is way too big. 100 pip stop loss. I'm not gonna take this trade. I'm not gonna take this. I knew it would go up, but I'm not gonna take this trade. Stop loss is way too big, bro. Way too big stop loss. For a noob trader like me, this stop loss is really big. So yeah, over here, let's see what are my this is a support. What sort of a price action is this? What is this over here? This is a Monday, right? Yeah. Man, such a bad price action. Such bad price action, bro. Such bad price action. It's definitely gonna come till this level. How big of a range is this? I think this range is around, yeah, it's a good enough range to trade. I am gonna take a sell over here, and once this sell hits my target, then I'm gonna tell you why did I take this. First of all, if you see the 15 minute had a consolidation area over here. It broke this green range for price to move down. 30 minute also formed a good bearish candle, and this green range for price to go down. So that's the reason why I am taking this trade. Simple AF. Bro, this thing is lagging so much. And just bro. Okay. So at this point, I'm just gonna, bro. What the hell? To be really honest, I would have exited over here. Yeah. Why is this not moving, man? Bro, just move. What the hell, bro? I'm just gonna replay to this date. I'm gonna it out at once to do. Simple AF. Bro, just start. Bro, why the hell is this lagging so much? Once to do. Okay. If it does not hit my minus to do, then I'm just gonna accept this loss. Okay, it hit. Bro, at this point, I'm just gonna go to the next. I'm just gonna go to the next London session. What type of market structure is this, bro? No confirmations for me, to be really honest. Yeah, that's why I didn't take a trade. Let's just take a buy over here. Okay, the stop loss is gonna be somewhere over 66 pips stop loss. 1:2. Why have I taken this buy over here? Support formed in an uptrend. That simple as if support formation in an uptrend. Let's just place this order. So it's gonna break even this. Bro, why is this not even break even? Bro, just break even now. Bro, just go and get. Why the hell is this not getting break even? Bro, bro, wow. This is not getting break even. Okay, so now I'm gonna just place this over here. Bro, what the hell is this, man? Was this a buy limit or what? Man, I'm just freaking this up, man. I'm just freaking out. Bro, I'm at this whole point, I'm thinking that I'm in a trade. What the hell, bro? What the hell is happening over here, man? At this whole point, I'm thinking that I'm in a trade. Bro, why the hell is this not working, bro? क्या है भाई? Why is this not working? Okay, so I executed a buy over here. Let's just speed this thing up. At this point, I'm just gonna break even this. Now it is at break even. Now I'm fine with this trade. Now, I think if this price has to move up, then it has to respect this low. Yeah, if it has to move up to my target. Man, is there a potential resistance on this side? Or what? I don't think so. Okay. Okay, so I have exited out at somewhat at around. I have exited out at some profits. Did it hit my TP? Let's just move to the next London session. This is a support over here. There's some resistances over here. At this point, I'm just looking for some things. Let's just see. Can't do anything right now. Not yet for me this stage because I couldn't see a potential setup. Bro, what type of a price action is it? What the hell is this, bro? Okay, so it has broken and closed above this thing. So yeah. To be really honest, I would have taken a buy on this candle. I would have to be really honest taken a buy on this trade, on this candle. So yeah, let's just move to the next London session. Over here, this is a support. Man, price is just going up. It should definitely come for something. Let's see the 4 hour. Oh, freaking. Okay, let's see. Let's look for something. At this point, this was a support formed. This was a support formed. Let me explain you why am I taking a sell over here, right? I'm taking a sell over here because, to be really honest, first of all, price has been so, it's been going up so much, and second, this was a resistance for consolidation. This was a support, price broke the support and closed below the support on the 30-minute. So that is why I am taking a sell. Target is simple, 1 to 2, 2%, and let's just go with around, let's just, yeah, let's just, oh, bro, how fast is this happening? But once again, if price went all the way over here, it hit 1 to 1, so I would have definitely break even this out. Man, why am I being so late at these things, bro? It's costing me a lot of time. I would have definitely taken it straight, but yeah. Okay. Oh, bro. Bro, what the hell, bro? I was right this whole time. You know what? At this point, my bias is always perfect. Like, I have an intuition where price is gonna go. But sometimes what happens is that in executing that trade, I either my stop loss gets hits first, or I cannot find perfect confirmations for my execution, so I miss that trade. And when I get both of those things, then I get end up being in profit. So yeah, like at this point, what could I have done? I could have, bro, oh man, could have done absolutely nothing over here. I could have done, I could have impulsively entered a sell over here, but who knows anything in this market, right? Let's just go to the next London session. Hmm. Okay, at this point, price has already price has already done a lot of things. Let's just focus on those things first. Okay, this is support. This is a small resistance on the 30 minute. Okay, so at this point, I'm gonna take a buy. Let me explain you guys first. I'm gonna take a buy because this is a good bullish candle. Okay, and price is at a support. Price is at a support because it's a good bullish candle. And if the stop loss is too big, then we can scale to this stop loss and we can aim for this move. Okay, let's just enter. To be really honest, I don't think we would hit my TP, but I'm gonna sit it out at some point. Let's see one thing and then I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so this was a bad setup. To be really honest, price didn't go up. What was I thinking? I thought that price has come to the support, formed a good bullish candle. I didn't execute on this candle, didn't execute on this candle, did not execute on this. Bro, don't you think I am executing it much early than I should? Don't you guys think that this is not a pre-London session? And also, guys, I think my timing is, I think, wrong or something. Something is off. I'm gonna just go to the London session and see at which time does it land. Oh man, I think the time is just right. What is happening at this point? This is a support. Let's just wait for some price action. No volume. No volume. No volume this day, bro. Oh, bro. Bro, what is happening over here? I cannot catch any of these moves at this point because they're not confirmation for me. This was support. Now price closed below this. Couldn't have done anything. Literally could have done nothing. Okay, so guys, at this point, I think it's already 28th April. I am not finding good setups, and even if I'm finding good setups, I don't see good confirmations on them. So yeah, it's better to not trade like that. Price up came down over here, created the support. We can expect it to go till this range, right? But still, because okay, at this point I can find a good setup. Let me tell you why is this a really good setup. This is a good setup because first of all, price is already going down and it has broken the support as well. Now it can come down to this level. Let's just place this order. and see what happens. Yeah, I think it's a good setup. Okay, so this 30-minute candle has closed with no volume. I can just trail the stop loss over this high and do pretty much nothing. Yeah, there's no volume at this point in the markets. Yeah, there's no volume. See? Why have I taken this trade? Because price went up, created a resistance, and this green means for price to move down. So yeah, that was the simplest explanation of this trade. Okay, so at this point I can just trail my stop loss over here, and let's just wait for this TP to get hit. Can't do nothing, cannot do anything now. At this point I think I should just break even this. Okay, at this point I'm gonna close this trade in any profit. Should I close this trade or should I let it run? I think I should let it run, bro. What am I even gonna do by closing this trade? Just let it. Oh, bro, it it did not. Bro, it missed my target. It missed my target. It missed my target, man. Bro, what the hell? At this point, I'm gonna like just replay to this state, and I'm gonna exit it out at once too, so that. So executed this trade, and let's go to the next London session now, man. I'm quite exhausted as well, because I'm not even finding good trades. This April month has been a bit rough. I don't know whether I was even profitable this month or not. This has been really rough month. I just took around 12 trades this month. Yeah, April had been has been really rough. Just 5%. Took less trades this month as well because there were no setups. Yeah. So I'm done with April as well, and you guys can see the total trades and everything I have taken on this account. Now, uh, I'm gonna journal these trades. I'm gonna see on which trade where I should like what things should I improve in my trading plan, because at this point I think the win rate should be a bit higher, and uh, in order to like see things and in order to like observe things, I have to make a few changes uh, in my execution. I have to start using impulse entries more, or maybe just stick with this. I don't know. I have to avoid setups as well. I have to avoid some setups which don't feel good to me. This is very important as well. So yeah, so yeah, so yeah. Done with the backtesting sessions. I'm gonna take a break from everything now. I'm gonna start backtesting. Uh, Again, I'm gonna have another backtesting sessions this December, and then from January we are gonna get back to live markets. Okay.